We are in Vista Ridge right now, and we are going down there, going down the hill for a tubing. We're going to the tube park. So here we are with my wife Josephine, and then with Soy Soy and Soy Soy Mom. Okay, say something, Soy. Where are you going?
We're going to the tubing.
Where? So we're going to tubing.
Yeah.
Okay, invite them to join with us.
Yeah.
So nagre-ready na kami guys for tubing down there. So our schedule will be 12:15. So we're now ready to hop down. So we're in this trailer. Ayan, at pupunta na kami sa baba. It's our first time. So this is the trailer look like, and then we don't know what's happening, and then we're gonna go down there using this this snowmobile, I think the big snowmobile, and then with this trailer behind, and they're gonna pull the trailer going down there. So let us see guys what's happening down, and this is our first time in Vista Ridge. Yan. Alis na kami. Pababa. So this is going downhill. Yan. Oh, selfie. Ready, 1, 2. Soy, happy. Oh, gas mo pababa na to. Pababa. Going downhill. Yes. We've been here since 2016. And now it's 2025, and it's more about how many years? And we never experienced this kind of winter life here in Fort McMurray, and this is our first time. And this is our first time here. We have this big snowmobile pulling this trailer, and then we're gonna go down there, and we are going to enjoy the tubing. So we're going to the tube park. So dito na muna, at mamaya ituloy ko yung video ko guys doon sa baba. This is too hilly. Sobrang lalim. Oh my god. Oh, look at that guys. Woo! ganito pala ito. Sobrang lalim. This is so deep. But, you know, with this kind of snowmobile, we are very confident that we are okay, we are safe because of this look at that. Oh my god. Oh my. This is so good. Yeah. Wow. There we go. So andito na kami. And we're gonna hop down here. Get ready to go down. You feel cold, Joy? Okay. Okay, Nino. Yan, pababa muna kami.
Oh, not yet. Not yours.
Oh, nauna ka mo, Bing? How's your life here?
I enjoy.
Oh, wow.
No stress. Free stress.
Naka free stress daw. Din sila, Robia? Dito sila.
Video vlog ko ako lang isa.
Ha?
Video vlog ko ako lang isa. Nga solo vlog ko.
Oh, sige.
Wait. Bago ako.
Hi.
Hi, Bia. Bless. Hi.
Hi.
Bless.
Oh, good girl.
God bless. Magurang bayi eh.
Ha?
Maguwang bayi.
Ano yun? Din ka kuha?
Hello.
Sige sa isa gali? Hindi ka ladukan?
Nang, sa bayak na kan? Ha? Sa bayak na.
Hindi tagi sa isa? O pagbalik mo eh. O sige na kayo gibidyot ikaw. May bata abing oh.
Hindi pa ko mag-go. Oh, hawa ka bigay ko na isang katusukan. Sabi ko, pisas punta dito. Mag-go. Pa-picture? Picturean ko ka ma? Ala. Ay! Kasi maglumpat ka to sa pila ko. Hindi tatling yan dyan din papapan. I want to go in.
Oh, record na siya.
Sige ran?
Oo.
Pwede ka mga tatlo. Pwede kitang tatlo. Pwede kitang tatlo.
Ha?
Pwede kitang tatlo.
Pero silang dua.
Silang
Doon
dua
ta.
lang eh.
Doon ta sila.
Apat kita eh.
5 ka mo.
Kasi magutok ka karon mo. Hindi.
Tatlo lang anay ka mo.
Tatlo lang tanay gulong.
Oo, para masan.
Duha sandanong pwede sila nga duha ka bata kat si Kwan. Do tatlo kan kita nang tatlo nong.
Ha?
Tatlo kita dengan.
O sige.
Oh, dali ron. Nung mi.
Soy.
Sunod ka mo sa likod naman eh. Hindi pwede nang malabot pa kita sa basa magsulod sanda. Kay mag-abot ko landing tatanan disgrasya ta.
Ay, ano yung nauna pa sa inyo, Beng? Wait.
Oo.
Tapos nung mayor.
Tapos nang pag-abot sa may uhot-uhot nang.
Tapos nung hawid ka din.
Pag-abot sa tuhot nang ang kulay makwatan mo ay masakit. Pag yanan mo nga dali na uhot-uhot daw. Sa kilid ikaw yat ga. Sa kilid daw, sa kilid. Sa kilid nong, sa kilid ka kapot. Sa kilid ka kapot nan. Amor kaptan mo nong od.
Mo lang dahil. Tapos kapit siya. Unang Jo, hawid ka.
Okay, let's go. Kapot, silang Jo ay kapot krakan.
Hindi isa mo ka kalima.
Nang, kapot. Hindi nong, hindi ka magkapot dyan, kakapot sa tanga-tinga na. Ma. Oo. Okay, go.
Why pati ikaw hawid?
Okay, dali lang, may naunak natin.
Kung malayo, no? Dali lang. Okay, tapos. Sinong mayor?
Okay na?
O, kapot ka na to. Yan.
Okay na?
Tapos sinong mayor? Ito to nung... Na.
Okay na?
Nen.
Dali lang, kalo ko kaya doon ko. Okay, ready? Go?
Wait lang ba yan?
Later.
Go?
O sige, Beng.
Okay.
Iyate ba yung kamera mo kasi ano?
Hindi ah. Tulod.
Don't let go ha.
Tulod. May echo.
Soy.
4 sila. Okay, inay lang.
Nang bisa ka magpahawad, buhik na ka na. Okay, go! Eh, paano kita mag-go? Tunod, anay ni! Rob! Tunod, anay, Rob!
Inay lang, di lang mag...
Are you ready? Have fun, guys! Wala ko na kalo ko nang. Hoy, basi na pamili kay basi masunod. Bulon ko na kalo ko na hayok man ko na ribit. Kalo ko. Sorry, dude.
Oh. Yes.
You had fun?
Very high.
You want to try again?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
You had fun?
Yeah.
Very good.
I want to try again.
Okay. That's how deep.
Yeah. Let's try again. I don't love me.
Come here, Bea.
Your daycare. The mayor.
Yes.
I've seen your daycare.
Daycare?
Yes.
Yeah, we can go later. No, we're gonna go to Tito Pat's house after this.
Is she gonna come with us?
Yeah, everybody.
How about her house?
Yeah, in her house too.
It's so pretty.
You enjoy gani soy sa niya balik na dayon. Ha? Oh, alas 3 na kami natapos.
Anong alas 3? Alas 3 medyado?
Alas 3 man na Japon? O sige.
Una sana ka sabaw ko.
Are you scared, Soy? You scream? Why? Because you're excited, but you're not scared. So you wanna do it again? How many times? Many times? Okay.
Ha? Ano feeling? Sa una ang matakot. Oo, kasi hindi mo pa alam ano mangyayari.
Pero kuriway,
Wala na. Tura ka ba?
daw namin ang liwat-liwatan. Pag ako, Toy, magsaka.
Ang galing niya kaya tao.
Ambot, kumusta ang video mo? May nakuhaihan ka ta dito? sa video mo? Kaya natungli na pang imo kamera pag abot lalo?
Abot lang tungli. Ay na wala na hulog.
Oo. Dogili into talang di ka galingon ta kay magpinadalhay kita pa ubos tapos magpinadandog pabalik. I know. Naga-stop gali sa uhot, no?
Patong.
So we're going to take the escalator going up there. Huh? Hey. Oh. Hello. Oh. Nadandog ko guys. So we have to take the escalator going down, up again, and then do gliding again. So this is now the routine of this game, of this leisure. We have to go down through this tube, and then there are some hay down there that gonna stop us, gonna stop the tube, and then we're gonna go back here uphill using this how do we call this one? Something like an escalator. So here we go. Sakit ng init. So just remain standing daw, sabi ng sign dito. So here's my wife Josephine. She's having fun. She's enjoying the tubing. And then medyo malayo pa. And then ahead of us is Robia, Bingbing, Isabel, Soy Soy, Bea, Nero. We're all together here in the tubing park. So for sure everybody is gonna be having fun here, and this is how it looks like. We're gonna go glide down there using our tube. And I have a second thought right now that I'm not going to do it again. I love it, but it's so tiring going down there. It's easy to glide down, but I have a slippery shoes. This is for winter shoes, but I feel heavy and a little bit hard for me to go up, even though there's an escalator like this. But I will try maybe later by myself. The first experience we had, just 4 of us, all together, and that's fine. But you know, the first experience is something like a worry in my mind that maybe something happened, something, you know what I mean. The tube might go on beach, but it looks like safe. So we landed down there. It's easy and safe, but the thing is I was scared the first time, but right now I'm fine, I'm okay. Maybe it takes a little bit time for me to relax a little bit, and then try maybe several times. So here we are. There we go. Oh. I just feel like DC, maybe because of my, and that's the tractor that we had, the transportation that we used to went downhill. So, there we go. Here, let me order a drink. Mag-change ka, Tarel? Nag-change ka? Kaya daw kiwi siya.
Go, kuya ko no. Kahit mo na ibayaw sa ba, kasi ma-disgrace ka. Bye! Bye!
Josephine sponsored me to come here.
Why would she do it?
Because she worked here a long time ago, and then
Wow. When did she work here?
I don't know, I cannot remember the year, but she was here a long time ago, and then
Why would she came here?
when she got the paper, she sponsored me, and then that's why I came here in Canada with her. So that's what are you going to do also, right? When you grow up, when you finish your school, you get a job, and then when you get the job, so you have to look for your wife too, and then
Well, I don't know. My mom doesn't like me.
your mom doesn't like you to have a girlfriend? No, because you're still young. Maybe someday if you are on the right age, maybe you can have it. Oh, no girlfriend for you now. How about mommy if Emmanuel reached the age of 30?
No.
Oh no, still?
How about
Why?
14?
40? Yeah.
40.
Oh. So you have. How about if Emmanuel got a job, a good job at the age of 30, and he got a and he's become a rich already, so he can have.
I can give it to someone which is poor, I guess.
Oh my God, I love it. Are you going to share money to the poor people back home? That's a good idea. And then, are you going to buy a big house for your mom and dad too?
Yes, so they can live happily.
You want your dad to still work or no?
Still working.
Still working? How about if you have lots of money? And then your mom, you want your mom also to still work, or you just let her stay at the house?
Let her stay at the house. I can do many jobs.
So yeah, because you got a very good job, and then, like for example, you're earning something like a $150 per hour, and you are working 12 hours a day. That's not impossible. If you are an engineer, and if you are working at the site, if you are an engineer working at the site, and you are earning $150 per hour.
Is the military a job? Is the military a job?
No, it's something like an engineer. What are you planning to be with when you go to school? What course are you planning to have?
I'm planning to have every job.
No, what I mean, you want to be a teacher, you want to be an engineer, you want to be a doctor. What do you want?
Just choose one.
Oh, just choose one.
No.
You have to choose like, I want to be a lawyer. I want to be a doctor. What?
Your best interest.
So what are you planning to?
For my best one.
Or you want to be the?
building.
You want to be a president? Huh?
Yes, president and building.
Or you want to be an engineer? Or you want to be an architect? You want to build the house? That's what you.
Yes, and I want to be a president.
That's good. Anyways, you're still young to think about it. Maybe if the right time comes, that you can decide now what course are you going to take, and then you can get a good job.
Oh, why?
When you get a good job, good salary, good money, and then you will become rich. Okay? And then you can get a beautiful wife. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Okay. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So hold tight. Do not release your hands on that handle, okay?
Okay.
So Manong Nero is going to take care of you when you go up here, okay? Manong Nero, please.
Kaya.
Okay, Kaya?
Let's go.
Okay, go. Hold. Hold tight, Emmanuel. Go with the flow. Hold tight.
Yeah, I know. No, but she can go down the hill.
Bye, Tita Jo.
Bye! Lincoln! Come over here, please. You don't have to go with us. Go, bye, bye!
Oh.
Wala ko kanina!
Si Soy Soy, pasakaon nyo. Okay, Bea, next.
Okay, ready? Wait. Not yet kasi tabing din siya. Yeah. I know it's pressure.
Okay, go na.
Okay. So long, Mom. Wish me luck.
Yeah, good luck.
Wish
Enjoy. Good luck. Enjoy.
Wish me luck. Good luck.
Oh, Isabel, next.
Gusto ko ngayon po pag kami ni Soy kami.
Hindi na solo mo man.
Pero daw ka rin.
Sige, ne.
So you're just holding on like that? Okay, ready? Hold on. All right.
Likod ko, ano nabili na ano?
No. You had fun?
Yes. Hindi mo enjoy 24 mo?
Ha?
Isa na timo kang kwan, try.
Ate mo, mas na-enjoy ko isa. Isa lang ka ride, $24. Mahal. Inyo, tig 10 cents na kahit kayo.
But at least
Pila ka mo
enjoy.
ka balik?
More than na gani, or gani. Free dun. Ha?
Memories.
Oo.
May video na. Namo na sa.
What happened, Soy? You had fun?
Hadlock ka siya mag ano?
Magsaka?
Magsak. Tumba kami dalawa ah. Damo-damo sa likod na.
Traffic?
Traffic kamal nila. Okay lang na. Tindog dayon. Ginamara.
Huwag ka madlock magpadulhog pero nadlock ka magpasaka.
Wala gid siya balance magpasaka.
That's okay. You can conquer now your fear going up here, right?
Are you?
You wanna try it again or?
So you're not scared of going down here, but you're scared of going up.
Yeah.
What time is it, Mama?
Yeah, look at this Canadian handsome boy.
I'm Filipino.
No jacket. Just wearing t-shirt. He's not feeling cold. Wah.
I am Filipino.
You're a Filipino?
Yes.
So
I'm Filipino. Doesn't feel cold. Unlike you.
oh, so strange. A Filipino doesn't feel cold in a winter island.
It's not winter island.
It's a winter place. Obinga.
Well, yeah, Canada is very cold.
So you're not feeling cold?
No.
Okay. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Welcome.
Please subscribe to him. He's a great man.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to Tito Mayor's channel. He's a great man.
Wow. promote din nila. Not yet. Come here. I want you to say something. Come here. Okay. Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to his vlog.
Okay. Go.
Give a shout out
Okay. Give a shout out. Shout out Tito Mayor. Shout out Jomar channel.
shout out to their channel.
You had fun? You had fun? You enjoy? You wanna try it again? Why? Because you're having a hard time going up here? Or maybe don't choose the escalator, you can just walk going up here. Would you like to have that? But it's good to use the escalator because it's easy for you to come up here rather than walking going up here. It's too hard.
It's so steep.
It's too stiff. So you wanna try walking going up here?
To the mayor. To the mayor.
Yes.
You should try to be famous. Like you should have. How many subscribers do you have?
Hmm?
How many subscribers?
I have 10,000 subscribers.
To the mayor.
Yes.
Someday you're gonna have. You're gonna be like Mr. Beast.
How I wish, Nero. How I wish.
If you post up some. If you set up some challenges like Mr. Beast.
Maybe if you can have your own channel someday, maybe you can get that million of subscribers because you're a good-looking man. You know that, what I mean?
I have some channels, and one of my subscribers has my channels.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how many channels I have. Like each of them has only like a different. Okay, it's like a go.
And then if you have a good subscriber someday, you will be making good money. Okay? I can teach you on how to do that.
And then put in your post, and everyone could see them.
We're going back again. And so we're done. Need to go back, and this is so high, hilly part. the way going up there. Wow. Look up here, Soy Soy. Look up here.